Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how you can connect to your Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.2.1. So the first thing you need to check is if you're connected to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. So we can do it by going here on the right, click on it, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and here as you can see, I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link router. The second thing is we need to validate the IP address. So go to a search bar, type in CMD for command prompt, and here just type in ipconfig and press enter. And as you can see, we have this as the default gateway. So now you can just copy this IP address, open your router, open your browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Opera, and just paste here the IP address. And now press enter. And as you can see, this is the login page for my wireless router. The standard username is admin and also the same for the password. So just type in admin and the same for the password, admin. And now click on login. And here you are now logged in into your Wi-Fi router dashboard. You can change different settings here in the left menu. But for example, if you want to change the IP address, you can click on network, click on LAN, and here you can see the IP address, which can be changed. So once you change it, you can click on save and then log out. So thank you. That's everything for today. Hope this helps. And please do not forget to subscribe.